Hello and welcome to another tutorial in Python tricks. In this video we're going to talk about how to convert data type of elements in a list using map function in Python. So imagine I have some numbers, but they're string numbers, or let's say there's some integers with the data type of a string like this. And what we try to do what we are trying to do is that we want to have a list of outputs. Actually, we want to convert each of these elements into integer and store them in the output. There are three ways to do it. The first way is by using a simple loop and convert each of the element in numbers underline str list into integer and store them in the output, which we're going to skip that. The second way is by using list comprehension in Python. At the top right of this video you're going to find a tutorial about it. And the third one is by using map function in Python. So let's talk about list comprehension at first. I'm going to use int built-in method. So I get for each element I convert it to int. For e in numbers str, I print output. Here you can see that I have all elements as an integer. Let's print the numbers still here to see the difference between these two. Okay. The third way, as I told you, is by using map function in Python. Okay, so let's do it. All I have to do is that I have to call map. I pass in int built-in method and I pass in numbers str. Simple as that. And as we know, if we want to have the map object as a list, we have to cast it into a list. So if I print out output, I run it, here you can see that again I have the list. Thank you so much for watching this video. For more Python tricks, please subscribe my channel and turn on notifications. See you next time.